Are you fed up of winding in hose at the end of a job? This makes things much easier. This is the ReelMaster Lite from Pure Freedom, a compact, powered hose reel designed to speed up pack down and keep your van tidy. It holds up to 100 meters of 6mm hose, and reeling it in is simple. Just press the push button pendant and the hose winds back in quickly and neatly. If there's ever a power issue, it also has a manual backup handle so you're never stuck. It comes ready to connect with a 6mm brass hose tail inside the reel and a stainless steel swivel outlet. The swivel helps stop the hose twisting as it's reeled in. The unit uses 12 volts and a power loom with resettable 20 amp fuse for protection. It's also hot water safe, so it works with hot water setups. For dual operator vans, the ReelMaster Lite is twin stack compatible with the option to buy a complete twin stack system. In the box, you get a powered reel, push button control, power loom, manual handle, fitted connectors and instructions. That's the ReelMaster Lite, a simple powered solution to make hose management faster and cleaner.